Welcome to Bird Law, a channel that does not look into the laws of birds, but instead the laws of men and women. And today we will be looking into the case of Hosseinzadeh versus the Kleins. First, the plaintiff. Matt Hosseinzadeh, aka Matt Hoss, is a YouTuber famously known for the Bold Guy series, an anthology of sketches about a man winning over a woman's heart through his charms and athleticism. Next, the defendant. Ethan and Hila Klein, also known as the H3 Production, are a couple of YouTubers who are known for their commentary videos, amongst other things. On one fateful day, Ethan and Hila made a commentary video on one of Matt Hosseinzadeh Bold Guy series. Safe to say, the Hoss did not like what he saw, nor what he heard. He sent a YouTube takedown notification and YouTube removed the Klein's video. Naturally, the Kleins then countered the notification, challenging the takedown on the basis that their video was inter alia, fair use, and non-commercial. Matt Hoss then not only filed an action alleging copyright infringement, but also misrepresentations due to H3's countering of his takedown. The Kleins made another video to discuss the upcoming lawsuit with their fans, expressing their frustration and grief. And because of that, Matt Hoss strikes again by amending his complaint to include defamation. And so both parties filed motions for summary judgment. The issue? Whether or not the defendant's commentary video showing a large portion of the plaintiff's material constitutes fair use? Question mark. Now, let's take a look how this case held up in court.